Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you own a 2025 KTM 390 Adventure, you're probably already aware that KTM has issued it another recall. This is actually the third recall in recent time for these bikes. And as a 2025 390 Adventure owner, I have personally experienced the issue multiple times, having to get the side stand spring replaced not once, not twice, but three times already. So what's the problem? KTM has identified a potential issue with the side stand spring in select 2025 and 26 models, including the Adventure R, Adventure X, Enduro, and SMC R. Due to engine vibration, the springs could break, which might cause the side stand to drop unexpectedly while riding, which is a clear safety risk. As an owner, I have noticed this firsthand. The spring just snaps after a few months, sometimes even sooner. I have had mine replaced three times, and each time it has been a hassle, time consuming, and inconvenient. KTM is now offering a free replacement of the spring plus a rubber protective part at authorized dealers. Until your bike is serviced, you can use a band to secure the stand temporarily for safety. And if you own one of these models, check your VIN on the KTM's website or contact your dealer to see if the bike is affected. The recall covers all the 2025 and 26 390 Adventure X, S, Enduro R, and SMC R models. KTM will also send out letters, but it is best to proactively reach out to the dealerships and get it fixed for free. And let's not forget that this is the third recall for the 390 series in a short span. Earlier, there were recalls for engine stalling and the fuel tank rubber issues. While recalls are a part of process for any manufacturer, frequent fixes can be frustrating to loyal owners. And so, if you are affected, don't delay, get your bike checked and fixed. And if you have had a similar experience, drop a comment below. Let's keep each other informed and ride safe. Thanks for watching. See you soon in your next video. Till then, subscribe.